Welcome to License Activation Manager. In this video we will discuss how to add, edit, and delete products in License Activation Manager. To add a product, do the following. Step 1, tab to Products, then select the Manage tab and click on the Add Product button. Step 2, enter the product definition, program ID, name, version, etc. You must generate a seed value as well as public and private keys. Step 3, continue to licensing section and decide on how you plan to license the product. If you want to automate the product license, generating serial numbers is mandatory to allow your customers to register on License Activation Server. If you want to enable network licensing on the product, then check Allow Network License, then enter the license file name that will be used for network license. Set the network licensing parameters accordingly or leave the default settings. A license validity of 0 value means indefinite license without time limits. This can be adjusted during the license generation procedure if needed. You can also define a maximum activation count. If the value is 0, it indicated unlimited activation counts. Activation counts define how many times the application can be activated on the license activation server by the user. Using serial for licensing and or site code for licensing will affect how the license algorithm is computing the final license file or activation code. Use license file settings will make the product license in file instead of activation code. Locking the license to user computer will make the license only unique to the computer that it is installed on. Always validate license online will require the installation of License Activation API on your server. If this setting is active, the product will always look for a license validation online by checking the API endpoint for validation. Step 4, click on the Add button to add the product to the database. Then continue to next step. Step 5, you can customize the look and appearance of the activation screen using the Activation Screen Designer tab. Preview the changes using the Display Example Screen Designer button on the right. Network license screen can also be customized the same way. Step 6, customizing the license removal screen. If your product is going to allow license removal, then the screen can be customized and previewed in the same way. Step 7, you can customize the main error messages. Always display activation screen setting will always invoke the activation screen on every software start. Step 8, ensure that a parameter file or configuration file is generated. The parameter file is stored under the software default installation folder as shown. To edit a product, click on Edit Programs button to open the Edit window. You can also edit any product by double-clicking on it in the Program Display window. Select the product you want to edit from the drop-down menu. Make changes to the product as you need. Create the new parameter configuration file and save the updated product to the database. To delete a product, ensure you are in the Products tab, then click on the Delete Product button to open the Programs screen. Select the product you want to delete and click on the Delete Product button again. If the product has any associated licenses, orders or serial, they need to be deleted first before deleting the product. We will delete all the serials associated to this product in this case, then attempt to delete the product.